Hey guys, welcome back to the Hobby Farm Homestead. I'm Paul, and we're out here in smog, basically. Check this out. See out in the distance, looks like it's like early morning or maybe late in the day, but it's 3:30 in the afternoon, and the smog is just horrible. Really bad. We have like a poor air quality alert. It's been all day. It's like a 345. It's anything close to 400 is severe, and the air smells like burnt plastic. I don't know if you guys know what that smells like, but it's nasty, but it's terrible. So I was gonna get into the garden, fix that all up, because we went on vacation and we were gone a week. When I left, the garden was in perfect shape. Then we come back and I grew an Amazon forest in 1 week. So I got my work cut out for me. But check this out. It's terrible. You can't even see the plants. There's beans in there. There's one bean. Beans up through there. There's tomatoes and peppers over there. This is 1 week. 1 week, guys. So I'm debating on whether to mess with it today or let this smoke clear out of here and work on it tomorrow. But I'll probably work on it for a little bit. You can tell my voice is a little raspy. I've been out in it all day. I probably shouldn't even be out here now, but I got to get that garden back in shape for sure. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna head up to the pig barn. I'll take you guys with me. Check on the pigs. They're growing pretty good, and give those guys some food, and then we'll come back and see what I can get done. Alright guys, well, I hope what I'm seeing on my camera isn't going to show up on this video. It's kind of like, I don't know, like flashing or something. I'm not sure what it is. But the whole garden's been tilled up. It still looks like crap. I'm going to let all this die off. Then maybe get in there with a rake and pull all them weeds out. And probably hit it one more time. I'll probably bring my big Craftsman tiller in here and hit it. But my beans did horrible. I don't know if it was the seeds or what, but I bet you only 30% of them come up. But everything else looks good. I just got to get it weeded and it'll start growing better. Tomato plants over there, I got to get cages on them. Probably do that tonight still. But other than that, the garden is at least starting to get back in shape. You know, this is the next day from yesterday where we had that poor air quality alert, and it's still not very good. If you can see in the distance, you can still see some fog, and that's the sun. So it's still pretty bad. I really shouldn't even be out here, but it is what it is. It's just stuff to get done. All right, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the cages on the tomato plants, and I will see you tomorrow. So one of those killdeer birds that act like they have a broken wing when you get close to their nest has laid a couple eggs right here. This is like that patch where I put grass down, which is starting to come in finally because we've been getting some rain. But anyways, I don't know where she's at. She hasn't been on it in probably a half hour or so. So hopefully nothing chased her off and she won't come back. But I just drove that stake in there so I don't hit it with the lawnmower. Come in here and check out the sheep. Gave these guys a shave yesterday. I'm going to take their wool and put it around some of my tomato plants and stuff. They say it helps keep some of the disease off the plants. But they're probably a lot cooler now, being all shaved up. Huh. Don't chew on that. So the pigs are getting there. We got about 50 some days left until fair. So it's about time to start changing up their feed and pushing them so we can get them up to weight and from the look show ready. Same thing with the lambs. Once we weighed them in, I think it was in May, you're only allowed like 30% or something like that weight gain off of that mark. So we have to watch the feed. And I think we just changed up the feed on those guys too. Alright guys, we're back up here at the pig barn. It's been, I think, 2 days since I did any video. Trying to finish out this one video here. But today we did get our waters finished. So I had this one, and that one to put up. So those are all up now. Everybody's on automatic waterers. That helps a lot because the temporary waterers, once the pigs start getting a little bit bigger, they have a hard time getting underneath of them and actually get something to drink. So it's better now that we have those. Plus it makes them extend a little bit. You can see that. Yeah, it helps them stretch out a little bit. You kind of want them to do that when you're showing them anyhow, so it helps them out a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and get these guys fed. As you can tell, they're hungry. They're getting loud. But I'm going to go ahead and get off here and catch you guys on the next one.